It's finally Friday, and it's time to celebrate some big Friday birthdays. We begin in St. Paul with Emery K. Guard turning 1 today, a major birthday for Emery, and this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
And I would like to get an adult-size version of that shirt.
It
doesn't necessarily have to be a onesie, but I love it. If you can't read it, it says, "Come on, Barbie, let's go party."
That is a classic.
Which
means Emery's already a classic.
Spawned a little song in the.
What you guys don't know about what happens off camera here, I tell you.
All right, happy birthday, Emery in St. Paul. And a happy 5th birthday to Canyon Colum in Neosho. Today is his golden birthday with love from Nana and Papa.
We've also got Anna Meekna, in Lamar, turning 7 today. A very happy birthday to you, Anna.
All right, I like flamingos too. And Skylar Kramer celebrating birthday number 11 this year in Girard.
We also have William Bishop, just to the east of there, in Pittsburgh, turning 13 years old today. Happy birthday, William.
All right, and also in Pittsburgh, Caitlin Reidenauer celebrating birthday number 19 this year with love from Yaya and Uncle Jamie.
And we've got Andrea Pauley turning 31 years old over in St. Paul. Andrea, happy birthday to you.
Out in Jasper, Brandy Rush celebrating birthday number 41 this year.
And we have in Weir, Steve Saporito turning 55. And you see Steve Saporito is our administrative assistant, Shelly Saporito's brother-in-law. So she should be bringing something to celebrate here.
Extended family from
Steve, absolutely. Steve, make sure you celebrate this birthday in the most amazing way possible.
We got a big one to celebrate out in St. Paul with Dan O'Brien, who's celebrating 60 years old this year. Birthday love coming from your 5 daughters and 14 grandchildren.
Talk about a celebration. You know the presents are going to be piling up. We've got Dana Storm over in Jasper turning 62 years old today. Happy birthday, Dana.
And Kent Brumbaugh celebrating 62 as well. Kent is in Pittsburgh.
And check this out. Jerry Brumbaugh turning 92 in Pittsburgh. That's Kent's mom. Both celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, guys. Talk about another big party in the Burg.
I love that picture. Great one. Let's see, Stephen Riddle turning 67 years old this year in Chanute. Happy birthday, Stephen. And
we've got Bonnie Wells in Joplin turning 81. She's pictured here with her husband and their Rolls Royce. Talk about a classic looking stylish car right there.
Hey, they could roll on over to the car show in Pittsburgh this weekend.
They certainly could. They could rock and roll over to that car show. Happy birthday, Bonnie.
And let's see, it's a golden anniversary for the Barcelonas. Congrats going out to John and Maureen Barcelona, 50 years of wedded bliss.
And we've got Fred and Nancy Garzone in Pittsburgh celebrating their 55th anniversary. A very happy anniversary to you, Fred and Nancy.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Joanne Wood turning 80 years old this year in Pittsburgh and Carl Duvall in Miami. Happy birthday.
And also Calvin Brodman in Brodman. His birthday is on Sunday. No reason you can't celebrate all weekend long, and you might as well. He's turning 99 years old. That calls for a 3-day celebration, if I say so. So Calvin, get out there and make sure you make it a great one.
All right, if you have a birthday